it's Russ Curtis, licensed professional counselor and professor of counseling. Wanted to talk about the layers of neurosis according to Gestalt Psychotherapy, which we attribute to Fritz Perls, but there's other contributors as well. And I do want to say that this is related to when we're becoming more genuine and more authentic. These are the layers, according to this therapy, that we're working through. But I think you could also say that this applies to a lot of the different counseling and psychotherapy we do and different theories as well, that we're all kind of have this goal of becoming more honest, more authentic, more genuine, according to who we truly are and away from what society has fashioned us to be. So this first layer is the cliche layers, where we're very compliant, we're just getting along. Somebody asks how we're doing, we say fine, even though we're not. Okay, we're just getting along. Layer beneath that is the phony layer, where we're playing roles in order. We may be the student, or we may be the partner, or the psychotherapist, or the engineer, whatever it is, we're playing roles. We're still not fully authentic with how we're presenting ourselves in our chosen work or our relationships. Layer beneath that is the impasse layer, and that's where we're recognizing that, wow, we are not living authentically and it's not working well. Oftentimes, and I think existential therapy comes into play here, where our anxieties and our fears and our neuroses can be a signal to us that we're not living authentically. And at the impasse layer, according to this theory, is when we start reaching out for help, okay? The self-help books, we go get counseling, and we're trying all different kinds of modes, and some may be very helpful and needed, of course. But we are seeking outside help to help us figure out who we are instead of going within. So then the next layer is this implosive layer, where we're at this stage and it can feel frozen. Maybe it's even part of what's been called the dead night of the soul, and I may be saying that wrong, to where we're just frozen. We don't know who we are, and yet we still can't go back to playing the roles in the games and being fake. So that's the implosive layer, and if we continue to work through this, we hit the authentic, or what's called authentic explosive layer, where we experience all of our emotions. We don't run from them. So joy and sadness and all of that, I like Jon Kabat-Zinn saying with this, is that we just accept the full catastrophe of who we are, and we're more present in the moment. We're more involved in our internal resources, looking within to see how that we can live more authentically. We're more genuine and honest in our relationships. We're probably bringing more of our uniquenesses to our education, to our work. So just give you an idea here with the layers of neurosis through Gestalt therapy. But again, maybe we even see these layers as we're going in society. As society develops, we move from being more compliant to more authentic and genuine. And maybe we're seeing that now, actually. Who knows? Hopefully this is helpful for those of you studying Gestalt therapy. Please leave comments. Love hearing from you. Thank you for the good work you're doing. And we'll talk to you on the next video.